If you don't want to say sorry in your osteology or anatomy practicals, watch this video till the end and save it for later, okay? So we are going to talk about the parts of this bone, okay? In the previous video, we saw the holding this bone in the anatomical position, and today we are going to see the parts. So this bone is divided into three parts, okay? The first part, second part, and third part. So basically we divide it into two major parts, that is the 2/3 medial and 1/3 lateral. So we call it the medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3, okay? Medial 2/3 of the clavicle and lateral 1/3 of the clavicle. So the medial end, it attaches or articulates with the sternum, so it is called as the sternal end. The lateral end, it articulates with the acromion process of the scapula, so this is called the acromion end, okay? The medial is called the sternal end and the lateral is called the acromion end, okay? And it has a facet here. This is called as the sternal facet and this is called the acromion facet, okay? Seeing it from the superior view of the clavicle, this is the anterior border of the clavicle on the lateral side and this is the posterior border of the clavicle, okay? So now talking about it in the lower, okay, or the inferior aspect of the scapula, towards the medial side we have this impression, okay? This impression is called as the impression for the costoclavicular ligament, okay? So this is impression for the costoclavicular ligament, and this ridge, whatever you see here, the sharp ridge, okay, the sharp ridge, this is called as the subclavian groove, okay? So the subclavian groove for the attachment of the subclavius muscle, okay? And on the lateral end we have this bony prominence, okay? This is the tubercle, okay? So this tubercle is called as the conoid tubercle, okay? This is called as the conoid tubercle, and after the conoid tubercle we have this ridge here. This is called as the trapezoid ridge for the attachment of the trapezius muscle, okay? So this is about the bone. These are the parts of the bone. In the next video we shall discuss the muscular attachments and the ligament attachments of the bone. So follow for more. Thank you.